Oh my god, they're $60. There's no fucking way, bro. Every time I take a look at this sticker, the Evil Geniuses Holo, Stockholm 2021 specifically, it keeps going higher. Look at that. Beginning of the month. Literally 1 month ago to the day. But anyway, we're going to be heading over to the market because I think if we take a look at trending, there's going to be some. Yeah, look at that. Stockholm 2021 Legends sticker capsule is on the second page of all trending and popular items. Are you guys ready for that price chart? Boom. Look at that. Okay, it's not as crazy as I thought, but when you zoom out to lifetime, look at that. That is suspiciously identical to this right here. Will this happen after or not? Or will it just keep going up? Only time will tell. But check this out. Just about a month ago, it was $1.26. Now, almost $3. Some sold for over $3, which is nuts. And of course, the reason the capsule is going up in price is because the stickers are going up in price. Oh my god, they're $60. There's no fucking way, bro. Every time I take a look at this sticker, the Evil Geniuses Holo, Stockholm 2021 specifically, it keeps going higher. Look at that. Beginning of the month, literally 1 month ago to the day, $4. Today, $62. That's a 15x in a month. That is not natural. This sticker is definitely being pumped. But who the hell is pumping them? Like, who is pumping them? So we know that the EG increased a crazy amount, which is great. So these stickers, some of these stickers look very, very similar. Take a look. This is an EG sticker. This is $60. The holo effect is what people call the oil spill holo effect. It's mostly black, some blue, some teal, some orange, some purple. This is what people call the oil spill holo effect. Check out the Furia. It's the same exact holo effect. It's on a bigger surface area, and in my personal opinion, it's a better looking sticker overall, just even past the fact that it's a larger surface area. But if you take a look at the price $10. Price has increased marginally from $7.50 to $9.40, but like, yeah, overall the stickers are going up in price, but it's not really based on looks. And just, oh my god, just look at that graph again, bro. Like, what is going on? I've honestly never seen those stickers. I kind of really like them. Nowadays they're pretty old. They're 4 years old. So yeah, the EG sticker is being pumped like crazy. So the cheapest holos are obviously gonna be the Champions holos. Wait, these are not. Did Navi win I think Navi won Stockholm, right? At least obvious Chinese pumping. I mean, you know, that's probably what's happening, but like, why? You know, we're just gonna take a look at all of them. So the papers, they're not 3 cents anymore. Holy shit. Wait, some of these papers are actually worth a decent amount. Like, only a couple of them are worth 4, 5, 6, 7 cents. Movistar, Astralis, they're worth frickin' 20 to 40 cents. Oh, this is the holo. Okay, that's already $4. Wow. Team Spirit foil. Oh my god, the gold is only $5. Heroic holo is $5. Ents gold. Pain holo, $8. Astralis holo, $8. Big holo, which I also really like. I think this is a great looking sticker. $10. I mean, again, it increased a lot in the last month, but nothing near what EG was. Movistar Riders, if you like blue, this is a great sticker. $17 now, started at $13 earlier this month, peaked at $24. That's crazy. Then we have, oh, the Mouse holo is $33. Holy. And I know there's a lot of Chinese sites that do renting. So the Mouse holo started at $19, peaked at $36, and is now $33. Came down to $23, is now back to $33. That's crazy. How to invest good? Low key, like, I'm not even capping, this is what I did on this account. Buy a bunch of storage units, throw them in the storage unit, forget about them. We have random holos and gold stickers. These I mostly opened. Oh my god, I love that I opened so many Paris stickers. Oh my god. I think most of these I opened. I bought some of these Antwerps. I bought some of these Stockholms. The ones that I only have a couple of I opened. The Furias I bought some because I thought they looked good. The Vitalities I bought some because I thought they looked good. You just buy random stuff that is probably a good investment, and that's it. This storage unit, absolute juicer. Take a look. Bunch of Max 7 carbon fibers. This one, my god. This storage unit, take a look. It's only Train 2021 skins, bunch of mil specs, bunch of restricteds, crap ton of classifieds. These, I bought it, like, not all of them. I bought, like, you know, as time went on and on and on. But these, some of them, I bought at $3, and they're now $50, $60. Factory new might be even more. This one has a cool little RMR craft. So yeah, just buy random stuff that's probably going to be a good investment, throw it in a storage unit, and pray for the best. Let's move back to the Stockholm stickers. So this was the Challengers capsule. Contenders is a very interesting capsule. It has some very unique stickers, like the shark Esports, the Entropic, Copenhagen Flames as well. All of these papers are still pretty much worthless, but then the FaZe is 20 cents, Entropic is 30 cents, Tailoo is 40 cents for the papers, and then here are where the holos start. FaZe is only $5-6. A lot of them are way higher. Godsent is higher. This one's also a nice sticker. Let's take a look at it in game. Yeah, so this one's also a pretty nice sticker, although it has a lot going on, so I don't know. I'll take a look at the other tournaments as well. We're not just going to be taking a look at Stockholm, but Stockholm is doing the biggest funny business here, so that's why we're starting with this one. All right, next up, this one I'm kind of sad about, bro. The Shark Esports. This one's a really nice sticker. Like, take a look at that holo effect. White, red, and blue. Yeah, freedom, bro. Hell yeah, that's cringe. I like the colors. I like the design. It's cool. Why is it not doing as good as other stickers? I don't know, man. I don't know. Still $8 though. Started at, oh, actually, never mind. This doubled in a month. Over doubled. Started at $3.86. Ended at $8.45. That is over double. That's well over double. Virtus Pro Holos. This one I have applied to my M4A4 Asimov. This one's also a very nice sticker. Very nice. Has lots of surface area. Right, so this one's also going up from $8. Okay, now this one's down to $9. That's more natural of a growth. $1, 10% a month, you know, still crazy in terms of other assets, but what the Renegades holos are $13? Wait, what? Oh, what? $2.32 to $14 almost, peaked at 16? What in the world is going on over here? That is nuts, bro. I think I have some of these. Oh yeah, I have 3 of them. That's awesome, bro. I think these used to be extremely cheap, if I remember correctly. Let's take a look at what they were. Oh my god. In May, these were under $1. What the in May, these were under $1, and now they're 14. That's a casual 7x. No, 14x. Who am I kidding? 14x in 3 months. That's crazy. Yeah, the capsule is $3. Do I have any of the Entropics? I have 2. I'll take it. I know what I was gonna say. For context, why am I not selling? That's why I'm not selling. If I had trading privileges, I would start to sell off some of these. They're at good prices. You know, if they go down, you can always buy back. It's never bad to sell if you're in profit, if things go up more than they really should. Because let's be real. Does this sticker look like it should be $60? No, I don't think so. So that's why I'm not selling. Of course, we have the Copenhagen Flames. I remember when this sticker got manipulated. When was that? Was that here? Or was that this? I think that was this spike. This was like the original spike. And then at some point here, the Paris Major came out and crashed all the stickers because people are like, oh my god, they just keep releasing borderless stickers. But I know that they got manipulated by, I want to say the players in the team, because they know that the team was gonna get and then they went up like crazy and obviously came back down when people realized that no one actually cares. But yeah, now it peaked at $22, now sitting at 15.5. Very, very solid. I have a couple of these too. I love these stickers, although the holo effect is kind of weird. I feel like it should be more on the orangey end, like this, like just that should be the holo effect. Why the blue? I don't know. So yeah, these stickers are nice. I don't like the blue holo effect. If that wasn't there, I think this would be worth quite a bit more. Although who knows, because I saw a bunch of these applied on blue phosphors. Boom, bam, bop. There we go. What the is that positioning? That is disgusting. I'm sorry. That's just disgusting. That's an interesting position. This is why people like it on the blue phosphor, because sometimes kind of looks like the outline, kind of looks like it's see-through, and at other times it just looks like a flame. So this one's a very, very nice craft. We have the Tailoo holos. These were at one point nearly the most expensive sticker in the case. They were $54. I think this was the second most expensive sticker in Stockholm behind Mao's holos. So this thing didn't do so hot. Started at 27, ended at 24, more like 27. Actually, no, it's just 24. There's buy orders at 22. So this one's actually crashing. Peaked at 36. I think it's kind of nice. You obviously got the dragon, and it's red, and there's some green, I guess. I don't know. It's nice. I do see why you wouldn't like it. It's not very thick. There's a lot of like cutouts, gaps. Not sure what to call them exactly. This is the liquid sticker. The reason I like this sticker is because it has a unique holo color. I like it personally, and it has a lot of surface area to show it off. So like it has a lot of holo surface area, and it's, I think, a different color. There might be one other one that has the same color. Yo, W streamer, appreciate the kind words, bro. So yeah, this one also not quite, but basically doubled. In peak, it was over double. 2022 Antwerp Challengers. Let's take a look at the stickers. These are the glitters. Don't really care about the glitters. Some of them are actually $1. Then here are the good ones. The Astralis holo is at $6. Started from $3.79 this month. Incredible, incredible growth. Wow, 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 wow. The G2 is at $9.37. This one also started at $4. Damn. 5 sold for 14. Why did those sell so expensive? Team Liquid. This one's a very, very good looking sticker. I want to check this one out in game. I forget what this looks exactly, but I remember this one's a really nice one. Yeah. Wait, it's not as nice as the picture would suggest. I thought there was more purple. This one, did this have some crazy growth? From $8 to $14. That I would say is crazy growth. Complexity is $2. Complexity. Didn't Complexity just disband or whatever? It spiked from $1.40 to $2. It's now back to $2.80. Now it's back to $2. Oh my god, Mouse is $3. Damn, son. This was $18. $3. All right, GG Paris. We are down bad, guys. We are down bad. We are down bad. Cheapest holo is $2. Amazing start. Amazing start. I want to see the good holos though. Furia holo from this major. Absolute banger. Absolute banger. Look at that holo effect. My god. That's the craziest holo effect. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different colors. Yeah, Lin Vision's also pretty good. Of course, they're a Chinese team, so Chinese players love buying in. Whoa. 14 to 8. Then back to 23. Then back down to 13. And now 15? What the hell is going on over here? 570 for the tournament holo? What? Oh! $18 for the Furia holo. Okay, this is an amazing sticker. I will say, I am sad that I didn't buy any. Look at that. Look at how many mini Furias. This is like Furiaception. That's a cool holo effect. Very interesting price graph. $12 at the beginning of the month. Went down to $9. Went up to $28.50. What the fuck? That's a 3x in like a week. Then back down, stabilized around 20. Now it's 17. That is nuts. I haven't seen this. $70. Before we take a look at the sticker and the price and shit. Actually, I can't. I tried inspecting, it didn't work. We're just gonna take a look at the price chart. Oh my god, that price chart. Oh, what? Oh, fuck. 3 months ago, $7. 2 months ago, $12. 1 month ago, $25. It went down to $25. Boom. Now they're $70 freaking dollars. I did not see how expensive Rare Atom holos were. It's a nice sticker, but I mean, look at this little corner. It's misaligned. That little corner there is not in line with that corner. Like, don't get me wrong, this is a nice sticker, but $70? Nah. And it came out last year. It's not even old. This is a new sticker. $70 is insane. There's barely any holo. Like, the Shanghai text is ugly. It's yellow. Or yeah, it's yellow. Certainly unexpected. I've never seen that. I knew the FlyQuest was going to be expensive. I had no idea the Rare Atom was this expensive. All right, the most expensive one, I'm guessing. Oh, what? $1.20? Oh, what? From 56 cents earlier this month to $1.20. Oh my lord, that is nuts. That is nuts. This one, 78 cents. Very respectable. I take it back. It is hard to open. The Rare Atom sticker. This one's 64 cents. Wow. Wow. These are still expensive. Yeah, I remember from when I was opening them. Falcons is still crazy. Phase is $17 for the gold, $10 for the holo still. These prices are still kind of wild. Complexity is 47. Oh, because they disbanded. Okay, that makes... I'm like, what? Also, why the fuck did they change back to their original logo? Like, they went from the complexity that you know from Cato 2014, sorry. From Cato 2014. They went to the weird star, completely different, and now they're back to the old Cato 14 style complexity holo, and now the team's gone. Huh? I can't believe EG Stockholm holos are 55. I know, bro. It's like, what the fuck is even going on? But also, OG, for some reason,